When we multiply a number by 10, our product is going to be bigger than our factor. We move our decimal one place to the right because everything moves up one place value. Our 5 was in the ones, it ends in the tens. Our 2 was in the tenths, and he ends in the ones. But when we divide by 10, our number gets smaller. So we are going to move our decimal one place to the left. Our 5 started in the ones, and he ends in the tenths. Our 2 started in the tenths, but he ends in the hundredths.